how to buy BitDCA token. So this token came under the symbol of BDCA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description now. So before going to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So if you go to the MEXC listing, this post on their X account, you will be able to find this. As you can see, we are thrilled to announce that the BitDCA official Kickstart has concluded, and BitDCA will be listed on MEXC. So as you can see, this token listed on 26 on February. So it's available now on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find a referral link, go down in the description and create an account on MEXC and fund some USDT. So go and log into your account on MEXC, as you can see. Now go back to this post and just copy the token symbol and copy it. Now after that, what you need to do in the search, paste it, and you will be able to see this pair. Click on it. So what you need to do after that, as you can see, select the buy option, click on the limit, and here type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So you will be able to see how much you'll be able to pay of that USDT on your account. So after that, click on buy BDCA and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BDCA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.